Tested it with Xbox One S and it powered it just fine. I only use it as a travel cable, so it doesn't get used often, but it appeared to do what it's made for. The cord that came with my PS4 Pro stopped providing power less than a year into owning the system. Thankfully, this nicely priced replacement cord did the trick. I needed a new plug for my Xbox. This one works awesome. But I have a problem. Amazon sent me 4. I only wanted 1, maybe 2. They also charged my account for all. I can't send them back as I am severely disabled and live in the Albany VA hospital. So be very careful when ordering anything online. SF. Microsoft forgot to send me my cord when I got my Xbox One fixed, and this cord works great. Figures they sent my cord back to me after I installed this. Still keeping it as a spare. Needed another power supply for my son's Xbox, and this works great for a good price. He missplaced the power cord and was in a tissa, so ordered one from Amazon. Here in 2 days. Now peace in the household again, except for all the yelling while he is on the box. But what are grandsons for, but to give enjoyment to US old folks? Was the right cord, pricing right, delivery fast, and trust in Amazon. What more is there? See Frost. I left my cord at my house while leaving for the week, needed a new cord, and it got to me the next day. Smiley face. Works perfect. The default size is also longer than the cable that originally comes with your Xbox, so that could be useful to some. My kid's dad lost their Xbox One S cord, and I searched to find something that would work. I was excited that this didn't need a brick power box and work perfectly well, so my kids could get back to their Minecraft. This cord worked perfectly for my Xbox One S after I lost the power cord during a move. I was first concerned that it was a straight cord without the brick, but works with no problems. Just as the title says, it's perfect. I bought this when I forgot my power cable at a family member's house who lives hours away. Lol, buy it if you need a good replacement cable. Click link in description for more reviews.